Today, I am going to show you exactly how to get an image URL in JPG format from Google Drive on this video on PMN Online. Imagine this. You're working on a collaborative project, maybe for work or school, or you're just sharing some personal images with friends or family. You want to share high-quality images directly from your Google Drive, but you need them in a specific format, like JPG, and you need an easy-to-share URL. This is where knowing how to generate an image URL in JPG format from Google Drive becomes incredibly useful. Whether it's for presentations, online galleries, or simply organizing your digital assets, this skill can streamline the sharing process while preserving image quality. Let's dive right into the steps. First, we need to open our web browser and head over to Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, the one where your desired image is stored. If you aren't sure, double-check your account details to avoid any confusion later. Once you have Google Drive open, whether you navigated there by typing the URL directly into your browser's address bar or by clicking a bookmark, it's time to locate the image you want to share. Take a moment to browse through your files and find that specific image. It's often helpful to keep your files neatly organized within Google Drive, as this makes locating items much quicker. Once you've found the image, click on it once. This single click will highlight the file. There's no need to double-click and open it fully. By selecting the image, Google Drive acknowledges which file you're working with, and you'll see a series of icons that appear to guide you through the next steps. Now, the crucial part, finding the copy link icon. This icon usually looks like two interlinked chains and is typically located at the top of the page near other file management tools. If you're having trouble spotting it, try hovering your mouse over the icons. Descriptions will pop up, helping you identify the correct one. Once you've found it, click on the copy link icon. At this point, you might see a sharing settings menu pop up. Ensure these settings are configured to permit others to view the image via the URL, adjusting them as necessary based on who you plan to share the image with. With the link copied, the next step is to paste it somewhere accessible, like into your browser's address bar or a text editor. This allows you to view and modify the URL easily. The link you've copied will need a small tweak to convert it into a JPG format URL. It typically looks something like this: https://drive.google.com/file/d/your-file-view?USP=drivesdk. What you need to do is replace the segment view, USP=drivest, with export, format equals JPG, transforming the link into something like this: https://drive.google.com/UC?markexport=download&ID=your-file-ID. By setting up the URL this way, you instruct Google Drive to provide the image as a downloadable JPG file, rather than just displaying a preview in your browser. And there you have it. You've successfully created a URL to your image in JPG format from Google Drive, making it super easy to share high-quality images with anyone you choose. For better organization and quick access, consider saving these URLs in a document or spreadsheet. That's it for this tutorial on how to get an image URL in JPG format from Google Drive. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.